Welcome to Cooking with Didam. Today will be with pumpkin recipes. Let's start. Because I have a small pumpkin, I just cut it to half. Now I have 2 half pieces. That's enough to cook it easily. But if you want to cook it faster, you can just slice it smaller pieces, then it will cook faster. Now I will add just tiny bit of salt to the pumpkin. Now we are blending our pumpkin and then our pumpkin puree is ready. My pumpkin puree is ready. Look at this nice pumpkin puree. Now I will use this pumpkin puree to make some pumpkin spice latte. I will mix pumpkin puree with milk, some spices and some sweeteners. Then we will heat it up and then mix it with espresso shot. I'm making an espresso shot and here I have 100 milliliters of milk. I'm also heating the milk at the same time. This milk, I will use it for making milk foam. Let's start making our pumpkin base. For pumpkin base, I have of course my pumpkin puree. I will use 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, 100 milliliters of milk, pinch of nutmeg, a pinch of ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of dark syrup. If you don't have dark syrup, you can also use brown sugar or normal sugar or maple syrup. I highly recommend using either brown sugar or dark syrup because they are richer in the taste and they will go together better with the pumpkin spice latte. You decide. It shouldn't boil, so that's why we are whisking it constantly. It gets a little foamy and I think now it is ready. Finally, we are combining them. I think it looks very nice. Let's taste it. It's very good. Exceed my expectations. I think I need to make one more. It's so good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy your pumpkin spice latte.